been a highly dramatic match between Jason Prime and Jigsaw. A little bit of contention at the end following Jason Prime's success. Jason, welcome. Can I just ask, it was a little bit, there was a little bit of anger, you know, considering that you just won the...
That's enough. You've done your job, Flower. Now be quiet, stand there, look pretty. Do what a woman should do and go and make some food or something, or wash something, I don't know, whatever you do. Right! You've just seen one of the most destructive matches that TNT's ever seen. You know who I am, you know what I do. Every time I'm at TNT, destruction, violence, anger, pain. Go back a little bit. T-Bone. We're moving on. Forget about Jigsaw. That puzzle has been solved. He is done. T-Bone. 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 You like a bad smell on your T-Bone. Just don't go away. If we rewind a few months ago, again, destruction, violence, pain, war. That's what TNT fans saw. But, and it's a big but, T-Bone. Who won? Who won, T-Bone? Me. So come Supreme Extreme, 13th of May. Me and you. One more time. This time, it's not going to be a 1, 2, 3 T-Bone. You heard it first. You're going home in a fucking ambulance. Or should I say back to your caravan. There you go, love. Fuck off, all of you.